Hello everyone, I am Niru Kumar from BTech Computer Science and Engineering in 3rd SEM, studying at Swiss Gyan Bihar University, Jaipur. Today I am going to show my project on dataset with the help of Python. This project at the Global Country Information Dataset 2023. So let's start. First of all, I was added some libraries in my dataset such as NumPy, Pandas. Cbon is used for numeric Python, Pandas for analyzing, exploring, and manipulating data. Cbon is used for data science and machine learning, and manipulating is used for a compressive library for statics, animatives, and interactive visualization in Python. And after a added libraries, I was add my datasets with CSV extensions. With CSV was stand for the comma separated value. Then I let's explain this project that you can see the library function in my project is like pandas numpy matplotlib cbon. Then I called my dataset the 2023.csv. Then data type conversion, we columns to convert. We see this project in the different types of global information that likes agriculture land, a birth rate is CO2 emissions, forest area, gross primary education enrollment, armed force, gross tertiary education enrollment, infant mortality, life expectancy. That's are the very types of global information. Now, I handling missing value. That's this projects. We the input numerical columns with mean, input characterological columns with nodes, verify if all missing values are handled. That's like this country. This is not missing value in any data sets. Like we value the top 20 countries highest unemployment rate. Now we see can uh, this is the extra sorted PDF and values in unemployment rate to create a figure with two subplots sides by sides. Plot for hygiene unemployment countries. There so the plot for low unemployment countries. So the plots. You can see these plots. That's top 20 highest unemployment rates countries, top 20 low unemployment country rates. You can see this. This charts uh, number top 20 countries high employment rate, number top South Africa, and second Lesotho, and third Saint Lucia, and top 20 high employment rate country in the last 20 Turkey, and top 20 low unemployment rate countries like top 20 low employment country, first of all Togo, and last Qatar. Then I explain next birth rates, top 20 countries in birth rates. We can see this sort data frames by birth rates column in descending orders. Get the top 20 countries with the highest birth rates. Create a bar plot which visualize the top 20 countries with high birth rates. Add title and tables. Top 20 countries with highest birth rates. You can see these plots, bar plots. Then first Niger, and second Chad, third Somalia, and last top 20 last countries Guinea. There is the percentage. So here first of all 46.08% and last 35.13 percentage. Top 20 countries highest agriculture area. We can explain the top 20 countries he has highest agriculture area. Now can see this project latest and access tables for better readability. Top 20 countries with highest agriculture and percentage like this: Uruguay, second Saudi Arabia, third Kazakhstan, like this. Top 20 countries in the last Madagascar, that so the percentage 82 72.60%, last 71.20 percentage. You can see ahead. Top 20 countries, largest armed forces. We know the top 20 countries, very largest armed forces in the sort by the data frame by armed forces size column in ascending order. We get in ascending order, descending orders. Get the top 20 countries with the largest armed forces. You like this bar plots? Huh, yes. Top 20 countries with largest armed forces size. Number one, India. India is the world top most largest armed forces. Has a second, China. Third, North Korea. A fourth, Russia. Fifth, United States. Sixth, Pakistan. Like this, very countries are the descending orders. In first of all, India is the very largest armed forces, and last is the Afghanistan. Top 20 countries, largest and land areas. We see in this exploration step 03, get the top 20 countries with the largest land areas. We can see the bar plot show here. Top 20 countries with largest land areas. First of all, Russia. Second, Canada. Third, United States. Fourth, China. Brazil. Australia. India is the seventh rank of the largest countries in the land area, and last chant. Top 20 countries highest CO2 emission. Where is the top 20 countries with CO2 emissions? We like so that the this project in we see this bar plot top 20 countries with highest CO2 emissions like this. China. China is the first of in these rates top 20 is top 20 CO2 emissions rates, and second United States, third India. India is the third number of CO2 emissions, and last of all Poland. Poland is the very sorted and top 20 countries low infant mortality. Where is we see in this exploration top 20 mortality countries create a bar plot, and we visualize in this bar plot. So this is the top 20 countries with lowest infant mortality rates. You can see this bar plots of Finland. Finland is the subset. Finland is most under the top 20 country in the subset in lower and highest. Belgium. Belgium is the top one in the top 20 countries. Top 10 countries with infant mortality. Top infant mortality countries we like see the say ascending order in this top 10 countries with highest infant mortality. First of all, Central African Republic, and last, Comoros. This is the top 10 countries with highest infant mortality rates. Top 20 countries. Next, we explain top 20 countries highest territory education enrollment rates. Sort the data frames, and we like see this in the bar plots. Top 20 countries with highest territory education enrollment rates. First of all, Greece. Second, Australia. Third, G- Canada. South Korea. And last of all, Denmark. Denmark in this list, so in the under the top 20 countries urbanization trades by country. Number of top countries to display in the urbanization trending country. We like see this China. China is the first urbanization trends country by country, is the largest world of the country. And second, India. India is the more urbanization trends by country, and third, United States. And last, South Korea. South Korea is the last numbers of urbanization in tides by country, trends by country, population density distribution. We show this population density distribution in the plots. We like PLT figure. Distribution life expectancy. We like this in 55. 55 is the lowest in the rank of the expectancy, and 75 and 70 is the life expectancy, and 85 get the top and currency notes and top and currency tens. We distribution currency notes. Where is the currency? A euro 9.5%, XOF 4.1%, XCD 3.1%, USD 2.1%, XF 2.2%, AUD 2.1%, AF 1%, and others 63.1%. Birth rates versus GDP. Weak birth rates versus GDP, like this floods. We GDP uh, specific the number of top language to display top language 10, top language officials, filters, data frames include by top 10 language in this world. Count the countries by top official language. English is the most official language in the world. French is the second most important language in the world. Spanish, and the last is the Italian. Italian language is top under the top 20, top 10 countries in 10 numbers. Thank you. This is my project. So